Hi, I'm Miss Flettis, your school counselor, and today we are learning how to be respectful by keeping our hands to ourselves. That means protecting other people's personal space bubble, just like these students are doing. Keeping our hands to ourselves makes us and other people happy. I keep my hands to myself. Sometimes when I have too much energy, I want to use my hands, like when I'm playing. I do not hit, pinch, or poke people. I also keep my feet to myself. I don't kick my friends or things in the classroom. I can keep my hands and my feet to myself when I'm playing outside at recess too. If I push, hit, or kick someone, they can get hurt. My friends do not like it when I touch them. It's not funny. It makes them feel sad. Sometimes it makes them feel mad. Sometimes it makes them feel surprised or scared. They do not feel safe when someone is in their personal space bubble. When someone touches me, I can say, "Stop. I don't like that." Let's practice. Say, "Stop. I don't like that." I will take a step back so I can have my personal space bubble again. If I feel like touching someone or using my hands, I can squeeze my hands together tight so I don't touch anybody. I can rub my hands together, just like this. I can keep my hands on my lap. I can put my hands on my hips or in my pockets if I have them. If I do want my friend to look at me, I can say, "Excuse me," or I can say, "Hi," or "Hello." I keep space between me and my friends so they'll feel safe and happy. This is my personal space bubble. My friends feel happy when I stay out of their personal space bubble. If I keep my hands and my feet to myself, I will have a thumbs up day at school. Remember, how do people feel when we touch them without asking? Are they happy about it? No. They might feel sad or mad or scared. We don't want our friends to feel that way. If we want to touch someone or even give them a hug, what do we need to do first? That's right, we need to ask them, "Can I hug you?" And if they say no, we can say, "Okay, what about a high five?" If they say no, that's okay too. We never touch someone without asking. Remember to show respect by keeping yours and others' personal space bubble. You got this.